This is the iodine test by Hakala Labs. On our summary sheet here, you can see right here, Hakala Labs. This is a 24-hour urine test. So what you're going to do is, this is our instruction sheet. All the instructions are right on here. First and foremost, if you have an iodine allergy, you cannot do this test because you'll be taking an iodine tablet. If you are allergic to seafood, generally you're going to have, you'll know that you're allergic to iodine as well. So, your first morning urine, the day that you take the test, the first morning urine is going to be flushed down the toilet. Do not use that sample. Then, once you urinate, you're going to take this iodine tablet in this little bag, and then from the next time you urinate for 24 hours, every time you take a urine sample has to go into this container. So what you're going to do is urinate into this cup. You're going to pour that into this container. Once you start urinating from the first sample, this container must go in the refrigerator. So again, 24 hours of urine samples. Do not miss any time that you urinate. 100% of that must go in that container. When you are done, this container labels up to 3 liters. If you urinate 3 liters or less, then what you're going to do is you're going to take vial number 1. It's labeled right here. We're also going to write on the date you complete the test and the total volume of urine. So it's all labeled here. 1, 2, 3 liters, milliliters are listed in between. If it's 3 liters or less, you're only going to have 1 container. And what you're going to do is mix this up after 24 hours and take the top off. And what you're going to do is you're going to pour through this right here. Take the top off through this little area. You're going to pour into this vial. Put the top on, vial 1. You're going to put this in the refrigerator, in this box. This will actually go into this bag. The bag will go into this box with your filled out requisition form. Fold that up. We're going to put those all together. And this is postage paid through the United States Postal Service. Now, the other thing is, if within that 24-hour period you urinate more than 3 liters, so if this is filled up to 3 liters and you still have 6 hours to go, then what you need to do is mix this up. You're still going to pour this into vial 1, right through this little area. You're going to pour this into vial 1. Cap goes on, that goes in the refrigerator, then you're going to empty this into the toilet, you're going to start all over again. The next 6 hours, then you're going to urinate through this cup again into this container. At the end of the 24 hours, you're going to mark down how much urine is in the second container. This is again only if you're going to urinate more than 3 liters. Then you're going to take vial number 2, it's listed here. You have to write the completion date on here and the total volume of the second container. So, pop this up, pour this into this vial, put the top on. That will also go into this bag with vial number 1. Make sure you write the total volume on there. The rest of the urine goes down the toilet. This is going to go in the box with the requisition form. It's going to stay in the refrigerator until you mail. And again, this is United States Postal Service, postage paid. Put a piece of tape here to seal the box, and you're all set.